Hi, thanks for watching this video from Tribu Sports in Huddersfield. So this is our See It Me Sport. So finished in Tribu yellow, I think it's pronounced. So it's a factory colour, really needs to be seen in the sunlight, not in the artificial light here. I think it's a very nice colour. So it's got the black wheels, alloys, black colour-coded mirrors, black side skirts, and a black rear spoiler. So the video is really just to give you more of an idea of the condition of the car. It's a 2013 car, but it's very, very clean for the age and mileage. It's got factory privacy glass at the back as well. So these are obviously the same platform as the VW Up and the Skoda Citigo. This is the sport model as well, so it's slightly more BHP. Clean and tidy everywhere really, there's no real points or anywhere to mention to you. Electric windows, electric mirrors, rev counter. All the seats are nice and clean. It's factory aircon as well. As I say, a lot of the details will be on the advert. This is just to give you an idea of condition. Any questions? If you'd like to arrange a test drive or there's anything else you want to know, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.